My name is and I am the director of Vintex Rubber Industries. The company was started by my father and then after who was in this business for the last 30 years. And I joined the business a few years back. And we supply rollers and other products to several OEMs in India. Be it Flex, Expert, India, Canada. There are several OEMs. Print Craft, Galaxy Packaging. These are few of them. We supply rollers not only in India, we also export to several countries like Middle East, Africa, and Asian countries. We have sleeves also. The one machines which are suitable for sleeve system. We have sleeves. Just want to tell you that the sleeves, we have a venture with a UK company called Northwest. They are among the originators of the fiberglass sleeves, and with whom we have ventured regarding the fiberglass. And fiberglass is also used in Flexo, and this is a special product of ours, laser engraved sleeve, for the continuous printing, jointless printing in Flexo. And this is our newly launched product called trade quantity sleeves. The USP of Vintex in trade quantity sleeves would be the turnaround time is very less. We deliver sleeves in within 2 to 3 weeks, and we also refurbish the old sleeve, which is eco-friendly as well as the turnaround time, and it suits the Flexo part. In case of any further queries, you can contact us directly, or you can visit our website, or you can drop us a mail. We are there to more than happy to help you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.